Today I am going to share 30 essential English sentences that every student should know. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and don't forget to save this video so you can practice every day. Let's begin. At school. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. May I come in? May I sit down? May I ask a question? Could you explain it again? I did not understand this topic. I have completed my homework. May I go to the washroom? Could you please repeat that? I know the answer. I don't know the answer. Please speak a little more slowly. What is today's homework? Thank you for teaching us. At home. Now let's move to home, where most students switch back to their mother tongue. But if you want to become fluent, start using English at home too. First one, good morning, mom, dad. Next, what are we having for breakfast? Where is my school bag? Please help me with my homework. I have finished my homework. Can I go outside to play? Please switch on the fan. Please switch off the lights. I'm feeling hungry. What are we having for dinner? I'm going to study now. Please wake me up early tomorrow. Thank you for helping me. Good night, sleep well, see you tomorrow. Use just 5 of these sentences every day. If you do that constantly for 1 month, speaking English will start feeling natural. If you want part 2 with 50 more additional English sentences that students use in real life, hit the subscribe button right now and comment part 2 below.